All right, everybody, here we go. Let's take a look today. Our topic is special factors of cubes. Let me show you. Okay. Again, pause the video anytime I get going too fast. But let's take a look at an example. Okay, here's my example. I've got x cubed plus 27. We can factor this. It's a very unique problem. Let me rewrite it as x cubed plus 3 cubed, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Now there's a special formula for factoring these, okay? So I'm going to write that down, and you guys should definitely put that in your notes as well. So let's see if I can find another colored pen while I'm looking around here. Oh, probably not, because everybody steals my pens. All right, let's see. Maybe. Let's see. I can't find a red one. So, if I had some x cubed plus some b cubed, it factors into a plus b times an a squared minus an ab plus a b squared. I've got it written on the board. You guys can see it up there, okay? Now, in this example here, my a is going to be my x, and my b is going to be my 3. So, if I were to factor this and put it in this form, I'd just simply write it like this. The answer would be a plus b, or x plus 3. This is really easy. It's just plug and chug. And then parentheses, I would go a squared, which is x squared, minus ab, which means a times b, which makes it a 3x, and then plus b squared, which would be 3 squared, which is 9. That is the answer. Why do we do this? Well, later on we'll see that by factoring it out like here, we can get more zeros. And that's always our goal in this chapter, is get our zeros. Okay, so let's look at another one. Let's do one more like it, okay? Okay, example 2. If I had an 8x cubed minus 125, okay? So it's nearly the same thing. We're going to modify this formula, and instead of a cubed plus b cubed, we're going to make it an a cubed subtract b cubed. And again, the formula's up on the board. You guys can see it's up over there. And I would factor it into an a minus b times an a squared plus ab plus b squared. I know a lot of pluses for a minus. Anyway, that is the formula, okay? So let's take a look at what I have here. I do have a cubed with another cubed. This could be rewritten as a 2x cubed, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, minus a 5 cubed, because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So I know that a is 2x. I know b is 5. And then I'm just simply going to plug it into that formula. Okay, so my answer is going to be, in fact, let's highlight these. Highlight these. So my answer is, well, a minus b, or 2x minus 5 times a squared. Now, a squared is not 2x squared, but 4. It is 4x squared, because I got to go 2x times 2x, right? A squared, 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Then it's plus an ab, so that's multiplying these two together. 2x times 5 is a 10x times minus plus a 10x, and then plus b squared, which is 5 squared, which is plus 25. That's it. That is factored. So let me highlight what I have. Okay, answer to that one and answer to that one. Okay, now, how does this help us? Well, let's take a look at my next example. Okay, so let's say that we actually have, I'm going to find the zeros, example 3. Let's find the zeros of x cubed plus 8, okay, equals 0. Now, I know there's got to be 3 answers, right? 2 of them might be imaginary. We'll see. So, I'm going to factor this. I mean, if I were to solve it, just plain old solve it, I could go x cubed equals negative 8. I could cube root, and I know one answer is negative 2, but the other two I don't know, okay? So if I use my formula, and I use the a cubed plus b cubed, right? I'm going to first rewrite this as a x cubed plus a 2 cubed, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So then from here, I will use my formula, which is that one there. I'll go a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. So I'll go a plus b, which is going to be my x plus 2, because a is x and b is 2. Here, hold on. X plus 2 times my x squared, because that's my a squared minus my ab minus 2x plus my 2 squared, which is my 4, okay? And again, I'm just using that formula, which you should have in your notes. Okay, equals 0. Okay, so now I got many equations, okay? So I'm solving it, right? I want to find the zeros. So I got x plus 2 equals 0. If I go minus 2, one of the zeros is negative 2. I agree, I had that. But now what about the other two? Well, the other two have to happen with the quadratic formula. So, minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. We should know how to do this. So I'm going to go negative b, or negative 2, plus or minus the square root of 2 squared, which is a negative 2 squared plus, minus, my bad, 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 4, all over 2 times a, which is 1. Okay, now let me simplify this. Okay, negative 2 is a positive 2, plus or minus the square root of a negative 2 squared is a positive 4, minus 16 all over 2. All right, I'm going to keep going. 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 12 over 2. Well, I'm going to have an I. You guys are okay just to go and put the I, but I'm going to take it further. I'm going to go 2 plus or minus square root of 4, square root of 3, square root of negative 1. I'm going to reduce my root, which we've done before, right? Multiples of 12. I'm going to rewrite that as a 2 plus or minus 2, square root of 4, square root of 3i over 2, which is going to finally get me an answer of 1 plus or minus 1 square root of 3i. Okay, there's my 3 answers. I got one there and the other there, okay? So, there's homework that goes along with this. I will see you tomorrow.